Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, ladies jacket, ladies shirt, girls top, baby sweater and shawl and stall. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 4 rows repeat pattern cast on multiple of 8 plus 3 extra stitch and plus 2 edge stitches, multiple of 8 plus 3 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches. And this is 4 rows repeat pattern. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 21 stitches on my needle, 16 stitches, multiple of 8, 2 times 8 plus 8 is equal to 16 plus 3 extra stitches 19 and plus 2 edge stitches 21. And here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 3, purl 5. This is 8 stitches pattern, 2, 4, 6, 8. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? So one more time, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have we complete 2 time repeat pattern, last 4 stitches, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit edge from right side. First row is completed. Now second row wrong side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 time yarn over, purl 2 together, yarn over to front, purl 2 together, 1, yarn over to front, purl together, 2. That's a repeat from here to here. Purl 4, 2, 4, 2 time yarn over, purl together, 1, 2. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? So one more time. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 time yarn over, purl together, yarn over to front, purl together, 1, yarn over to front, purl together, 2. Last 4 stitches, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl edge from wrong side. This is third row and right side, slip edge and knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side, fourth row wrong side, slip edge and purl these all stitches till the end of row. Purl edge from wrong side. Fourth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat this 1 to 4 rows, and after repetition of 4 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects of pen. If you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye, friend.